Now we're going to see how to create this amazing lab book with all of the information from the course. So we'll have classroom management, the collaborative learning techniques, cooperative roles, bibliography with all of these tickets, with apps, with books, with everything. This film literature booklets with the film crew, different genres, the camera shots, and programs and apps and software to edit videos, and assessment tools. So now, before printing it, make sure that you change the name of the director to your name, because you're the director of your learning all of the time. Okay, so let's move on to the materials that we need. See you now. We start with the materials we need for the lab book. We need glue, we need a punch tool. It might be this one or it might be this one. That's only because I'm a geek. You get to know me during this course. So I'll use these ones because I got these tiny eyelets. And we'll need 4 or 5 of them. But you can also use this, the normal fasteners that we used. They are okay, but I didn't have them, and I only had these eyelets, so that's what we'll use. And scissors and the printed copies of the PDF with your name on it, not mine, with your name, because you're the directors. Alright then, so we'll start cutting. Cut. And voila, we've got everything in here. So the thing is that I would advise you to use cardboard with these, as I couldn't print it on cardboard. I used normal paper, and then I had white cardboard, so I glued it on. So once we have it, we'll work with this one first. And we'll start sticking everything. So here it says classroom management. We'll look for classroom management. And we've got this tiny booklet. It's like that, so you can see all of the things once open. So what I would do is I would fold it first, and then place this one and fold it. This can be done before or after. And then stick all of them together. So we would start with the last one. Where's the glue? Here. And we would stick it in classroom management. I use this one because it's faster and I don't need to lose much time sticking around. So glue. Next, glue. Next, glue. That's the last one. So now we've got our booklet. What we want to see: classroom management. We've got whole brain teaching, class dojo, creative teaching, assertive teaching, mindfulness, because getting focused, it's really important, and my favorite song, the Shake Shake song. So then we place it, and then we go to collaborative learning techniques, which are in here. Alright, so the same. We place them together, fold them. This is important because afterwards it's most difficult to do it. So I normally did before. Alright, and the same. The Shake Shake song, it's an amazing song. I learned it in England once I was in school, amazing school, Broomfield Primary School, and it's for warming up. So it starts hands up, shake, shake, shake it, shake, hands down, shake, shake, shake it, shake. It's a chant. Hands up, shake, shake, shake it, shake, hands down, shake, shake, shake it, shake, to the front, to the back, to the side, 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 to the front, to the back, to the side, side, side. Jump in, jump out, and turn around. Jump in, jump out, and turn around. That's because when we start teaching theatre or filming or any of those things that we English teachers love, our students usually are shy. Usually they're like, oh, that's why I love this. Usually they're like, no, I'm not speaking English, I'm not doing this, although they would love to do it. And like that, it's fantastic. So now we've got this too. We're moving to cooperative rolls. As you see, we've got popcorn, and this will be an envelope. So we'll glue here, here, and here, but we'll leave it open. So we'll place glue on 1, 2, and 3 sides, and popcorn will come inside. Ooh, these are the cooperative rolls that we'll use. So then we'll fold it a little bit, put some glue, place it here just in case I need some spare glue. Alright, so the cooperative rolls, when we open, we got all of the cooperative rolls and the magic word. The magic word is sweet. So the timekeeper can be 1 class, a timekeeper, or 5 minutes. It depends on what you do. I wouldn't advise you of using 5 minutes, but maybe 15. So they keep changing, and then it becomes the speaker, the monitor, the recorder, or one of the roles that you think. Okay? Then we're moving to video editing, and it's here. We've got long one, which we'll fold in half, making the ends meet, fold it. Then we'll stick this spot in here and this spot in here. So we can glue here as before. And glue the first page. Alright, so when we open video editing, we've got all of the software or programs or apps that you can use. For example, maybe if you've got a Mac, WeVideo, KineMaster, and Filmora. If you work online, or Photos if you got Windows, or maybe it's iMovie. It depends on the Windows that you have. Then the assessment tools, we can use rubrics, we can use portfolios, we can use many things, but these two are the ones that I love because they're the students doing them, and with the rubrics they know before what is going to be assessed, so it's easier for them to make things correct. And that just the same as when we've got exams at the official language school, or we know what is going to be assessed, and it's not cheating, it's fantastic. Okay, so we got the rubrics, that book, homeschool diary. Then we'll move to the bibliography and resources, which is exactly the same as this one, sorry. So we'll stick 1, 2, 3. It's a different envelope that we have. We'll stick it in here, and we'll place all of the resources in here. So we've got the Hue Animation Studio, which has a camera so that we can record stop motion. Then we've got books. These are the things that I've got at home. Games for storytelling, the story dice, a website which is fantastic, Storybird, a game that is also great, which is called Mindful Kids. It's got different cards so that the students read it, or you read it for the students, it depends on the age, and they can relax in a way, so it's getting focused. it's the thing. Another animation book. A book that I love, which is more theoretical, but it's got different activities to work with stories, to work with films, and to create films. Another book to create films. Another Lego book. This is a book that I love. It's quite cheap. It's not expensive. It's how to make a movie in 10 lessons, and it's amazing. Then different apps, FX Guru, which is fantastic for creating science fiction. It makes cars explode and skeletons appear. Those kind of things that all of us love, don't we? And well, different books. And Fantastic, which is an amazing app, amazing for creating animations with any students, from the 3-year-old students to the 15-year-old students. They all love Fantastic. If you don't know it, use it and try it, because it's super great. And what we'll do with this one is stick this one on it, but not in the middle, because the middle will be cut. So we'll cut it like that. Alright. Now we'll leave this space free, so we'll only stick on the sides. So we'll stick here, 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 and here. Okay, be careful not to glue on that, because this will be an envelope, the biggest envelope that we'll have. So we'll stick it here. We can cut a little bit more if we're not happy with it. Sorry about that again. And now we've got this envelope, so that's when we'll need all of these booklets. Here is the booklet of the camera shots. So you can use this punch tool. I will use this one. Camera shots. I'll make a tiny hole in here, and I'll place one of these eyelets, or again the paper fasteners. It's the same, you'll see. I love this thingies, so that's why I got so many. So once we have the first booklet, we'll place it in here. So here we have film literature, camera shots, storytelling, everything we need to explain our stories. And we'll do the same as with the other one. We'll place them together, grab the hole punch, and place the fastener with this one and with the next one. And now on this one, we've got the line, fold it in half, glue on it. Oopsie, it was upside down. Oh no. And the film crew. What kind of people do we need to make a film? So we need a director, a runner, which is the assistant, camera operator, broadcaster, screenwriter, costume designer, and set designer, the one that says this is going to be like this, like that. And here we got the film literature. And now we need to close our lap book. I forgot to tell you that when I start the course, I use this kind of folder so that they can keep everything inside. And as you've seen, this is a lot of work that we don't do it in a day, of course. What I do is they've got their folder in class underneath the table, and whenever they got 5 minutes, so before I arrive into the class, or meanwhile I'll set everything, so they start cutting and keeping it in their folder, and then it's when we do this part, assembling the laptop. It's placed well, we make a hole and close it. That is how we've got our lab book with all of the information from the course. This is the information I've added. Now you've got some place so that you can add your thingies and show it in the forum. Hope you like it and see you soon. Bye.